Hello dear students. In continuation of the lesson The Invention of Vita Wonk, I am going to start second part of it. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. I tracked down every very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. As you know, dear students, Mr. Wonka is now making a drug for getting old. So he had visited the entire world, and from the entire world he was selecting ancient animals, ancient trees, and the things which are known for their oldness. A hair of an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. So each and every old thing he had started selecting, collecting, and in this process he was taking the opportunity to collect the things while someone's eyebrow he has to take, so that creature is sleeping, or sometime he was collecting the little jam, some toes, in between the toes some element. So this way he has started his work. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bong bong king, the shrylog, the polyrog, the giant coralicol, the stinking stud, and the it means he is talking about the squeak who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. He is describing many imaginary names as well that are known for its oldness. But others, no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing the testing in, when he has collected, he has started boiling, bubbling, making something out of these things. My inventing room. He was working on his work to make that invention. I produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20 years old Opma Lopma volunteer to see what happened. Well, now Mr. Wonka had created the medicine, and he had made one black oily liquid, one tiny cup, and he had given 4 drops of that liquid to Ompa Lompa imaginary volunteer who was ready to taste that. What did happen? Charlie asked. Now Mr. Wonka, Charlie asked, what happened after tasting? It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonk invented. He said that Mr. Wonka told Charlie that his experiment, the invention, was extraordinary, because the moment he drank those few drops, suddenly he had become 75 years old, and all the body symptoms started coming up, like his body got wrinkled, shivering, and his hair drops out. And Mr. Wonka said likewise he could make his medicine, his drug, his invention, that is known as Vita Wonk, the age drugs he had made, which was making people aged. And I have already told you he made this antidote because already he had made one medicine which was making people younger. Thank you, everyone.